Hi everyone, welcome. If you are new here, hello, my name is Melanie. And if you're returning friends, welcome. Thank you for coming back and watching another video here on our channel. So you guys, for today's video, I have my IPSY Unbagging for the month of September. So I just want to be upfront and honest with you guys. I canceled my IPSY subscription, I think 2 months ago if I'm not mistaken. And my reason of unsubscribing, I just want to let you guys know, is I felt like little sample sizes is just not doing it for me. Don't get me wrong, this is such a great platform for starting out with makeup if you want to try new products. If you know there's products that you want to try but you just don't want to put out that money just yet and you want to try it, and this is a good place for you guys. Like I said, I love IPSY, but I do have other subscription that has full-size products, and I don't mind paying a little bit more money to get the full sizes. I'm not really getting what I want out of the subscription, so I canceled it. And then as soon as I canceled, they announced that they're going to be doing IPSY Glam Bag Plus. So this is going to be full-size products. I believe they're putting 5 products in the IPSY Glam Bag. Don't quote me on that. So I was like, what? No! So right away I went to the site and I subscribed again because I don't want to miss out on that. I love my full-size products that I get in my subscription. So I was like, no, I hope, you know, IPSY doesn't get mad at me and not give me a chance to get Glam Bag Plus. If you guys never seen an IPSY bag, this is what it looks like. This is how you get your glam bag. It's inside with this pink, bright, metallic bag right here. This is our bag for this month. I think it's really cute. It's really simple. You have the eyelashes. Who doesn't love eyelashes? So this is such a cute bag, and you have IPSY on the little zipper tag always. So let's go ahead and see what we have inside. Let's go ahead and talk about the theme for this month, which is, the question isn't who is going to let me, it's who is going to stop me. Oh, that is really cute, and it is true. The only person that can stop you is yourself. You know, you might have little bumps along the way, but it's you who's going to stop you for doing what you love. So if whatever your passion is, just keep on believing in yourself. Just do it. Don't worry about what other people think and say about it. Just do it, because at the end you will be such a happy person, and it's just, you know, you're just happy about yourself. So let's get to the bag. So the first thing that I see is this double cleanse 2-in-1 facial foam. This is a daily cleanser and makeup remover. Ooh, I like that. This has green tea, white lily, and rice water, and also brightening, so that's really cool. This is from the company The Creme shop. So let's go ahead and open it and just smell it. I like smelling products. I don't really smell anything, but let's go ahead and see. It's just a white little cleanser. Let's go ahead and get back into the bag. So the next thing that I see, it's coming out already, is this brush right here. This is from Luxie Beauty. You guys, I love Luxie Beauty brushes. They have one of the best brushes that I've tried. I love it. So this is so cute. So you guys, it says good night, and then you have the 110 down here. That's the number of the brush. So it's really cool. So we have 3 more left in the bag. Let's go ahead and get this one right here. So this is from Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics. It's such a cute packaging. Can you guys see? And this, I believe, is a bronzer. I believe we received an eyeshadow from them, the kind of same. But it has shimmer, you guys. A lot of people, including me, don't really care for bronzer that has shimmer. But this one has shimmer. Let me see, it will show. Yes. This is more like an eyeshadow to me, to be honest, than a bronzer. Can you guys see? I swear, I thought when I looked on the site, I was just looking at the products, not even reading it. I don't know why I wasn't reading it. I thought this was a shadow, so I didn't really do anything to my lid because I thought it was a shadow, but we were wrong. This is like a cream type of bronzer, I think, but I have bronzer on already. We will blend that in a minute, you guys. Don't be alarmed. I think it gave us an all-over bronze. I like it. And none of the shimmer or whatever the shine shimmer that's right here, it's not showing on the cheeks. So on the skin, I like that. It definitely bronzed our face. So let's go ahead and get to the next thing in the bag. This is from Steve Laurent. Laurent, is that how you say it? And this is I'm blushing, so this is a blush, so perfect. Ooh, and it comes with a mirror. So this is what it looks like, you guys. Ooh, that is really pretty. It's really pigmented too, so be careful. So I'm gonna take my favorite blush brush. I'm gonna tap it. Just use this mirror. So you guys, that is really pigmented, so be careful. And the last thing in the bag is, it's a lipstick. This is from Bellapierre Cosmetics, but I really love the packaging. It is really cute. It looks expensive. It looks like an expensive packaging. I love the little silver detail. So let's go ahead and open it. And it is in Incognito. So it's a nude shade. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it looks so velvety. So let's see if I can. Ooh, it kind of matches our blush. You look at the blush right here, and then look at the lipstick. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. You guys, it smells like chocolate. Is it just me? But it smells like chocolate. This is what the lipstick looks like on me. I don't know what it is, but I'm not a big fan of nude. I like my more colored lipstick. I feel like I can't pull off nude. I don't know. I don't know, but you'll be the judge. You let me know. But this is what it looks like on me. So that's everything in our IPSY bag this month. But you guys, who can't live our eyeballs looking all plain like this, so I'm gonna take the bronzer and we are gonna put this on our lid. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that just to get our crease going. So I'm gonna take the brush that we got in the bag too, which is from Luxie. So I'm gonna take that and we're just gonna use this to pack on the shade on our lid. So it's picking it up pretty good. So I'm just gonna pat that on my lid. I really like this for eyeshadow rather than a bronzer. And I'm just gonna take that spice again, and we're gonna blend the edges. So I'm just gonna take my makeup geek brush that I love so much for the lower, and I'm gonna pick up spice, and I'm just gonna run that along my lower. So you guys, what do you think about the shadow slash bronzer on my lid? I think, well, no, I know I love it on the eyes more than the cheeks. No problems on the cheeks, but I love it on the eyes better. And yeah, so I love the products in this bag. Love the bronzer slash shadows. I love the brush, you guys. It applied my shadows so well, so I'm gonna be using that for that purpose. This one I will let you guys know what I think. Who doesn't love a cleanser plus makeup remover and brightening? So can't go wrong with that. Let's see, the blush, pigmented, so be careful, but it applied on the cheeks really well. You can also use that for shadow as well. You guys, the products that we have are versatile, so make sure you guys don't just use them for what they are supposed to. You know, bronzer can be used on your eyes, and blush could be used on your eyes too. Really shimmery shadows could be used as a highlight. So I really enjoyed the products in my IPSY bag. I have one more unbagging to do, so keep an eye out on that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Let's grow this channel and have more friends to play with here. Make sure you guys share this video if you think it is worth sharing. Only if you think so. So thank you guys for being here. Thank you. And like always, I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.